Hi guys, welcome back to the Taste to Share kitchen. Today we're making a delicious and savory chicken dish with Tausi black beans and vegetables. It's warm, rich in flavor, and perfect for a family meal. Let's start by cutting the chicken thighs into smaller pieces. Once done, set them aside. Now, heat some oil in your pan and let's cook the vegetables. First, add the sliced stems of onion leeks and toast them for a short while. Then add some chopped celery stalks. Next, add the colorful bell peppers. Add the 2 sliced onions. At this time, add 1 teaspoon of salt and gently stir everything together until the vegetables are slightly toasted and smell really good. Remove them from the pan and set them aside. We'll use them later. In the same pan, add a little oil if needed. Sauté some onions until they soften. Then add sliced ginger and let it cook for a bit. Add minced garlic and stir well. The onion, ginger, and garlic make a tasty base for the dish. Next, add in the sliced chicken pieces. Add 1 teaspoon salt and 2 teaspoon pepper. Cook them until the sides turn brown. This helps add more flavor and delicious aroma. Now, rinse your Tausi or black beans. Wash them well to remove too much saltiness. Add in 2 tablespoons of cooking rice wine. Let it cook for a bit. Now add 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Next, add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix well so the chicken is nicely coated with the sauce. You can add 1 tablespoon of sugar, but that's totally optional. Now pour in just enough water to cover the chicken. Let it boil, then lower the heat and let it simmer gently until the chicken is cooked. At this time, taste the sauce and add more salt if needed. You can also add a pinch of MSG if you like, but that's up to you. Prepare your cornstarch slurry by mixing cornstarch with water. Slowly pour it into the pan and stir well. The sauce will start to thicken. Add just how we want it. It's time to bring back the toasted vegetables we set aside earlier. Add them in and let everything cook together for a few minutes. This helps the veggies soak up the delicious sauce too. Finally, sprinkle in some fresh chopped celery to give a fresh taste at the end. And that's it! You've just made a flavorful chicken dish that's perfect with steamed rice. A delicious, saucy chicken with Tausi black beans and vegetables. If you enjoyed cooking with us today, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Check out our other videos and keep your kitchen inspired. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!